is my final, like my final song. A few years ago we were so young and so close, and we talked about the future. I was your world, but I just couldn't see that you had already fallen for me. You'd promised me you'd be with me forever. I told you to wait for me, but now you had to go. But I'm still here waiting for you now. I want you to know I'll be here for you. Let's give it another try. I'm checking my phone for your reply, but there's none. It's been a week and still I haven't heard you, and I think that you blocked my phone. But I know you wouldn't, 'cause I know you miss me. You finally answered today, but your text said goodbye, and I wanted to cry, but said I am so happy for you. I won't deny that I had some feelings, and I really wanted you to. You promised me you would be with me forever. I told you to wait for me, but now you had to go. What happened to my microphone? But I'm still here waiting for you now. I want you to know I'll be here for you. Let's give it another try. I'm checking my phone for your reply, but there's none. Kaya ko pa to, kaya ko pa to. We're not meant for each other, 'cause now you got another. I hope you'll be the one for you. We couldn't be together, but I know there'll be another. I hope I find someone like you. I think I realize now that I really loved you, but it's time to say goodbye. I want you to know now, 'cause this song will be my last reply. No, I won't be waiting for you now. I'm letting you go. I won't check my phone, though I'm filled with sadness. I'll try to move on. This will be my last reply. Wait lang, nanginginig buong katawan ko. Like, ano ba tawag nito? Parang, basta, kailangan ko tumayo. Hindi ko alam kung bakit ano nangyari.